The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for, there is no way I am reading all of that. The sheer number of counties that are in this warning is absurd. This warning literally takes up 10% of Texas. Oh well, I have to read it anyway or else I'll get fired. Tarrant County, Dallas County, Hood County, Rockwall County, Kaufman County, Johnson County, Ellis County, Navarro County, Hill County, and Bosque County, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Yeah, I'm not doing this.
But Tom, you applied for this job. It is too late. You are now stuck here until 2016.
Who said 2016? I never agreed to 2016. I thought I was a temporary replacement for the actual EAS person, Craig.
Yeah, about him. We actually ended up firing that guy. He was unreliable and sounded very creepy.
You did what? That means I am really stuck here.
That is correct. However, since it's your first day, let me take this SVR. At 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pecan Acres to 7 miles southeast of Event, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include... Oh my, yeah, there's no way.
See? This is what I'm talking about. Besides, this is Texas. People know what to do already.
I guess you're right. Let's go back to normal programming on KEC 56.